Welcome to today's episode of Tech Talk Today, where we dive into the ever-evolving world of technology and security. I'm your host, and today we've got a pretty intriguing topic that's been stirring up some discussions in the developer community: the implications of remote debugging features within Zen. Let's start by unpacking what remote debugging actually is. Essentially, it's a feature that allows developers to connect to their applications running on a server or remote machine. This can be incredibly useful for troubleshooting issues in real time, but it also comes with substantial security risks, especially if it's exposed to the outside world. It's interesting to think about how convenience often battles against security in the tech space. In fact, remote debugging can act like a backdoor into systems if it's not managed properly. Imagine having the keys to a house. You definitely wouldn't want those keys falling into the wrong hands, right? What makes this situation concerning is that Zen seems not only to expose this remote debugging feature, but also to, disable prompts for it. That raises some eyebrows. Why would they want to simplify access while ignoring the risks? Could it be a case of prioritizing speed over security? I'd love to know what you think about that. Does it surprise you that a platform would choose convenience over robust security measures? It kind of makes you wonder about the decision-making processes involved. Are developers being pressured to innovate faster, sometimes at the cost of security protocols? Also, the question of being proactive or reactive when it comes to security is huge. Shouldn't Zen be taking additional precautions to educate and guide developers on how to secure their applications, especially when enabling features like remote debugging? I'd love to hear your experiences. Have you ever encountered a situation where security was compromised because of a convenience feature? Before we wrap up, let's quickly recap some key insights. Remote debugging can be a double-edged sword. Super handy, but also risky if not properly secured. Zen's approach of exposing this feature without additional prompts raises serious concerns about security practices, and it urges us all to think critically about how much ease we're willing to sacrifice in the pursuit of speed. So as we end today's episode, I challenge you to reflect on your own projects. How are you balancing security and convenience? What steps can you take to ensure that your own applications don't have unintended backdoors? Thanks for tuning in to Tech Talk today. Until next time, keep questioning, keep learning, and stay secure.